Hey guys, good evening. Problem solver for this weekend. Let me read this to you. It says Rachel, Kim, and Sean went to Cuba for a vacation. On the way to Cuba, the plane made the trip in 350 minutes. On the return trip, the flight took 450 minutes. They stayed in Cuba for 6,629 minutes. About how many days did the trip take? Also down here it says, how long did the trip really take in hours? You will need a calculator for this problem. Well, the first thing that I need you to realize is that 350 minutes is right there. That's one of the problems of this in this math problem you need to know. And then the flight took 450 minutes. And they stayed in Cuba for 6,629 minutes. Now, how many days did this trip take? Well, you for sure will need to know, first of all, to solve this problem, I need to know that 60, whoops, that is too big of a marker to use. Let's try a little skinnier marker. You'd need to know that 60 minutes is in 1 hour. Okay, you will also need to know that there are 24 hours in 1 day. So with that information right there, what I would do to solve this is, first of all, I need to add up how many minutes total. So I would take this number, and this number, and I would add it over here on a calculator. When I tap this button, that's going to go away, so just bear with me a minute. Now, so I'm going to take 350 in my calculator plus the 450 plus 6,629 equals. All right, so 7,429 is my total minutes. 7,429 minutes. Now this is not the answer though, boys and girls. That's how many minutes this trip took. So, in order to change this minutes into hours, you're going to have to take 7,429 and divide it by 60. So watch. Toggle back. 7,429 is on your calculator, and you hit divided by 60 minutes. Ooh, 123.81. If I go back here, this divided by 60 equals 123.81. Now what is that? Is that hours? 123.81 hours. That is how long the trip took, right? So if you look down here, we solved something about how long did the trip take in hours. Do you see that right here? That is your answer right there. Now, it's your job to figure out about how many days that trip take. Remember, to solve that, you're going to need to know that 24 hours is in 1 day. You already know how many hours this trip was. Good luck figuring this out. Have a good weekend, you guys.